So, why am I dressed like a loon ball? Well, just been walking my duggies, and I thought I should do this video for you and give you my 6 top affiliate programs for 2019. This will blow your mind. It blew my bank account. It allowed me to retire from a 9-to-5 job and do what I do now full time. So enjoy the video and hopefully it will serve you well. Okay, so here we are. This is the first program I have for you guys. It's Instatio.io. Now, before we go on, I just want to say that every single program I'm going to recommend here and tell you and give you the programs I think you should promote. I own every single one of these programs. I do not promote any programs that I do not own. I like to be the product of the product before I start to promote any programs, and I really recommend that you do the same. You don't have to if you don't want to own these programs. I'm not saying you should own the programs. You could promote them without having them, but so I find that it's a lot more genuine if you did own the program to be able to talk about the program and tell them all about it. Right, so Instatio.io is one of the programs I would recommend to promote, and the reason why is because they have a 30% reoccurring commission, which means that if you get somebody into this program, alright, because it's a monthly subscription, every single month you'll get 30%. Now, if we scroll down here, nope, actually, there's a bit what tells you the prices, pricing, yep, so let's go to pricing. You go down to pricing here, alright, so you'll get 30% of whatever package, that package or that package or this package here, whatever package the person you recommend takes. So you will get that on a monthly basis for ever, as long as the guy or the woman or the person is with this company. You will get paid, which is amazing. Now, if you want to know more about Instatio, it's a Instagram bot which helps you build your Instagram and your following. I've just started using it and I think it's a absolutely amazing device, and it's making my Instagram grow faster than ever before compared to any bots I have tried and used before. So the next one is Udemy. Now, Udemy is a platform for solo ads. So basically the platform, the way it works is if you have something to promote and you don't have a mailing list, for example, you could go in here and tap into other people's lists who have got hundreds or sometimes even thousands of people on a list, and you could bring your ads, pay them some money, and they will put that ad onto the list to see, and hopefully you will be able to get some sales or at least get some people onto your list. Now, the good thing about this is the affiliate program is you get 15% for every time the person you have referred to the site. You get 15% on any purchases that they make. Now, if they become an a Prime member, so a Prime member, I think it's $19 a month, you get 50% of anything that person buys on here. Also, if you recommend somebody to Udemy, the person you recommend gets $5 off their next purchase. So it gives the incentive for people to actually click onto your link, which is brilliant. It's really good. And again, it's for life. It's for as long as the person uses this. And if the person becomes obviously an affiliate marketer, an any sort of marketer, the chances are they will be using this site. So number 3 is OPESTA. Now OPESTA is relatively new. It came out about March time. About March time. And basically it's a Facebook bot. Now, the cool thing with this site and Facebook bots, by the way, just to recap, Udemy and OPESTA, you don't need to join them to promote them. Statio, you do need to buy the program to be able to promote them. So that's why that one's number 6, number 2, and number 3. Right. But the good thing about OPESTA is OPESTA pays you 40% commissions for everybody you bring in. So, and again, it's a recurrent commission. I'm sure you could hear the recurrent on every single one in, because we love recurrent commissions. It means you could do the work once, and then once you're there, you get paid all the time. Now, I know OPESTA has a few programs, and they have sticky cookies, so which means that if you bring somebody through one program, if he buys any other programs, you will also get a commission for it. They've also got a 2-tier going, so if you recruit somebody who recruits somebody else, you will get 5% from the commissions for that person the other person is recruited, if that makes sense. Alright, so they have a really good affiliate platform, so it's definitely worth promoting. The next one, number 4, is CONVERTKIT. Now, CONVERTKIT is my very favourite. Oh, sorry, let's just go back to OPESTA. OPESTA, just so you know what it is, it's a Facebook Messenger bot. Now, if you don't know about anything about this, messenger bots are the new upcoming thing, the thing of today and the thing of the future. So a lot of people in the upcoming months and years will be going to messenger bots, so it's definitely worth promoting now. Right, the next one is CONVERTKIT. CONVERTKIT is an autoresponder. I have tried many autoresponders out there, and CONVERTKIT is by far the best. Not very biased. I don't know anybody who works there, but I absolutely love the software. It works really well for me, and they are very good to their affiliates, because you don't need to have an account with them to promote, and you get 30% monthly recurrent fee for every person you bring in. So again, very good, and you could make pretty decent money if you recruit enough people. Number 5, which is one of my favourites, is ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, I highly recommend you go and have a look at it and find out. ClickFunnels is a funnel builder for marketing. If you're a marketer and you're not using ClickFunnels, you are missing out big time. If you're not promoting this stuff, you are missing out big time. And the reason for that is because, again, you get 40% monthly recurrent commissions, alright? 40%, which is quite good, and they've got a 2-tier again. So if you recruit somebody, you'll get 5% from that. Alright, but the good thing is about ClickFunnels and an affiliate platform is they have sticky cookies as well. So, for example, I know for a fact that ClickFunnels has a product which is a book, which is free plus shipping. So it's a free book, all you pay for is a shipping. So if you think about it, very easy to promote because it's free. So anybody you get by giving them the free book plus shipping, alright, once they get into the ClickFunnels platform, anything they buy afterwards, the commissions will go to you. So they're registered to you, and any, the programs range from the free plus shipping book all the way up to programs which are worth about $2,500, even more than that. So all you need to do is get them in with the free plus shipping, for example, and then once they're in, ClickFunnels will do all the marketing for you. So amazing. All you have to do is get them to the platform. Plus, right, they've got this here called the Affiliate Bootcamp, which is a training for affiliates. It teaches you how to become an affiliate for them, which is a course which is worth probably about $900, something like that, and you're getting it for completely free. So if you're a newbie, definitely this is a platform to come and promote. I am not finished. There's still more to come. On ClickFunnels, as you promote, if you get 200 members or more, they will pay for your car. How amazing and cool is that? So basically what will happen is, if you get 200, you could go and pick a car of your choice, and they'll pay the $500 a month, or even up to $1,000 a month lease on your car for the next 3, 4, 5 years, whatever it is. You could go and click on it and check the rules. Again, I will post a link underneath for all of them, so you could just go and click on the link and check it out. They've also you could see there, they've also got tools and ads and email swipes you could all use to promote their stuff. Very, very cool. Probably one of the best affiliate programs I have ever seen. Now, the last one, this number 6, the last one is the 4% group, my very favourite of all time. And the reason why it's my very favourite, first of all, they do 30% affiliate commission, which is less than the other ones, but they have a system in place which is incredible, which I've never ever seen anywhere else. For example, just to give you an idea, it's you could promote one thing, alright, and by promoting that one thing, there's about 7 other things what they'll promote for you in the back end of that, and you will get commissions for every single one of them, which is phenomenal. They've also got this here, which is a success challenge. It's a training for affiliate marketers, so they teach you how to become an affiliate marketer. They teach you to go from 0 to 10,000, and then they'll teach you to go from 10,000 to 100,000, then 100,000 even to 1,000,000 with this program. And you could promote their stuff, or you could promote other stuff. So it's a good teaching program for affiliate marketers, and they've got great products, and they have amazing systems in place. So that is my top 6 programs to promote for 2016. So hopefully you'll get out there and start promoting the shit out of it, because you can make some serious money from them. So we are now back to me, I could see. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked what you had there. I mean, great programs to promote. You should really get into there and get promoting. If you would like to know more on how to promote stuff or how to become an affiliate marketer, do send me a message below and I will get back to you. Please subscribe and smash the bell so you don't miss any future videos coming. So I've got some amazing stuff for you coming on, and I'm excited to share it with you, and I'm excited to show you everything I have. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you soon.